So yes, while recessions do impact multifamily, it is crap if the investor that tells you that recessions don't impact larger multifamilies. Absolutely does. It absolutely affects our valuations, right? Because during those times, cap rates tend to go up some. So it means prices go down some, but not much. What really presses us on the larger multifamily, when interest rates go up significantly, then you have to lower your prices, right? Your prices have to come down. When you're looking at single families, 1 to 4, and you're in a recessionary period, you have no control of that, right? The value of your property is all based on what your neighbor sold, what similar properties in your market or area sold for.